If you need a reliable plumber in the Alexandria, Arlington, Fairfax in the Virginian area, Green Clover Master Plumbing Service is at your service. Our goal is to provide you with first-class professional plumbing installation and repair service no matter the size or scope of your project. If you need emergency service or you are looking to repair external pipes like a broken sewer line or replace a faucet, install a new shower or bathtub, repair any damaged pipes or drain, or save money by upgrading your water hot heater to a tankless system that will offer you great savings, we will get the job done right. Call Green Clover Master Plumbing Service at 202-539-9825 now. We will not collect a penny unless you are 100% satisfied. Call us now at 202-539-9825.
Thanks for sticking with us so far. If you have any questions about our services, then please do give us a call on the number you see on the screen right now.